In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the SD card from your Insta360 X3 camera. So here we have the X3 camera. This should be a really quick tutorial. So what we want to do is we want to take out the battery, and that will give you access to the SD card. So we're going to clip these two little pinch together. Battery should just pop out, and then you'll see here the SD card is located just at the bottom here, this yellow and black thing. And it can be quite fiddly to get this out, but you want to just use your nail or your thumb and push into it quite hard, and then you can slide the SD card out. And same goes for putting it back in. Push it in and make sure you feel the click as it goes in, otherwise your SD card won't be inserted properly. And then battery goes back in. And that is how you change the battery, and that is how you remove or insert the micro SD card on an Insta360 X3 camera.